it's Sam. So today I'm gonna be doing a much requested living room tour. This is probably my favorite room in the house, except for our guest room. That one's always really clean as well. But this is the room that stays the most tidy, and it's my favorite place. I really like the vibe it has. It kind of has like a really nice, like peaceful, calm, like just like pretty like vibe. I really like it. So I figured I would share it with you guys today. I'm just gonna be doing a little tour of like all of the stuff that's in it and where I got it from. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so this is our living room from our front door. So this is what you walk into when you come into our door. This is the first room that you see. So the fireplace is definitely a unique piece. I think it's one of those pieces where it's either you really like it or you don't. I don't particularly care for it, but it's not my house, so it's gonna be there. This is our little friend. His name is, well, we don't actually know his name. Oh, he's just jumped down now. That's Spot. He's our new friend. I don't know whose cat he is, but he comes to that window every single day. And I feed him breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He is my friend. I've named him Spot. As you can see, I've put a little bed out there for him as well. He's out here at all hours of the day. He hangs out with the kids all the time. He comes here, he eats breakfast. He hangs out on the trampoline a lot when it gets the sun out. Like in a few hours, the sun will be on the trampoline. He'll go sit out there and he'll lay down, and then when the kids get home, he goes and hangs out with them, and that's his stick that they play. So yeah, Tiddles isn't a fan. Moving on to our living room. So from this angle, this is what the living room looks like. This is probably my favorite angle. So we have our little seating area. We have our couch, which we only brought one couch when we moved here because we had 3 sectionals. Well, we had this couch, then we had 2 sectionals. And for us to bring all of the couches, we would have had to have numerous, like 2 U-Hauls, which we were not gonna do. So we only kept this one. That one is from Ashley Furniture. These 2 lamps are from Brightech. I love these because I really feel like it just kind of created like a little cozy space with them. So I'll kind of just start from the wall here and then we can just go from there. These lamps, I forgot which ones these are called. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys, but they're from Brightech and they have a ton of different lamps. Like I have another one in another room, which I will show you guys. I'll do another tour on that one. But these ones are amazing because not only are they that really pretty like light natural wood color, but they have like the little lamp in the box, which kind of puts off a really pretty glow where you can keep it on in the day and it looks really nice, but then at nighttime it's also like really nice but not too harsh. And then you just have like the little string pull right here, which is really cool. And then they have these little shelves so you can put like plants. That's not even. So I have like my little faux succulents, and then I have this little sign here that says tell me a story with flowers. That was from my Deco Created box. And then I just have like a little gold doodad on the bottom. But I love it because you could put real plants on here. You could put like books if you wanted to. So it's kind of like a nice way to have a little storage, but then also have a really cute light. And I love the light. It just is such a soft kind of ambient glow. And then on the back here, it does have like these little clips. These did have to be put together. So Jay, he spent kind of a while putting the lamps together. So if you're gonna order them, just keep that in mind. Took him kind of a while, and then of course we had 2, so he was real happy with me. But I love these lamps. I love the way they look. I feel like they just make it look really cozy and like nice. It's just a really great way to just display your decor, but also have a lamp. And then right next to it is my plant. This is just a faux plant I got from World Market. The baskets from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So our couch is from Ashley Furniture. We got it a long time ago on Craigslist and we've had it all these years. So this pillow is probably from like TJ Maxx. I just have some blankets on the ends here because the ends are super, like they're dirty from like moving. They're like all they're not looking good. So I've covered it with blankets. These are from World Market, so I have 2 of those. And then on the other side here, I have the other lamp. So on this one, I have like a little succulent that I got from my Deco Created box. And then I have a little candle, and then I have more little faux succulents and my little glowy light. And they have a ton. They have table lamps, they have floor lamps. So there's not just like floor lamps. They have a ton of different options to choose from. And the prices are all like pretty reasonable, and they're just like so cute. And this comes, I think this comes in a different color wood as well. So I think there was like a darker wood option or the lighter wood option, if I remember correctly. Like I said, I'll link it down below and you guys can check it out yourselves. But I just really love these lamps, and I feel like they go really well with my like little basket weave kind of hanging. It just all kind of ties in together with all of the lighter kind of tones of the wood. And then I have another plant over here. Right here is another little window with a little faux succulent that I got from IKEA, and then a little cute dish that I got from TJ Maxx. And then over here, I just have a basket that I got from TJ Maxx with a blanket in it. We just have like a lot of baskets in like different little corners just in case people want blankets. And then over here is the fireplace. So I just have a little rug from TJ Maxx and a fireplace that I've never used. And look, Spot's waiting for Snuggles. That's where he's like, hello friend, hi babies, Spot. He's gonna hop up. Hello, sweet babies. Hello. What are you doing? See, he has a collar, but he has no tag. I just do the best I can without actually like stealing him. But he's so sweet, I love him. Sweet baby. Hi, baby. Come here. He comes and he has his morning snuggles. Oh, there's a Band-Aid on my deck. Hello. Hello, babies. Hi. Hello. How are you? He's so sweet. He just comes in here and then he'll go in his little house over there and he'll sleep. And then he'll go and he'll wander and then he'll come back and he'll eat. But isn't he such a little love bug? I just love him so much. He's really made my mornings very happy. He's very affectionate. And especially since Moo's gone now, it's kind of something that like, it's one of those things that the world works in mysterious ways. You lose one pet and you gain another. I mean, he's been here since we moved here, but he's been extra sweet lately. And he's been my friend and I love him very much. So I don't know what his real name is. Wait, you sneaky devil. He comes in and he looks to cause trouble. Go on, out you go. Thank you. So now he'll go have some food. So yeah, that's the fireplace. And then up there, I have some candles. I think I got those from TJ Maxx, and then the little candles from IKEA, a little hedgehog succulent. The fresh cut lilacs from Bath & Body Works is amazing. A little gold kind of doodad, and then a little faux plant. And then on this little window, I have my cactus that I've brought all the way across the country, which he's done so well. I mean, he's been lasting so amazingly. I'm so happy because it's actually real. And then this little base I got from TJ Maxx, and it was such a score. I love this. And then I have another one of the little IKEA plants right there by the window. These two across are from IKEA, which I did the IKEA haul. I'll link that down below if you guys haven't seen it. The pillowcases are also from IKEA. I am obsessed with these. They're like that Turkish rug. I think, yeah, it's like a Turkish rug that they made into a pillowcase. These don't look very comfortable, but surprisingly, they fit your bum very nicely. They're actually very comfortable. These are $79 at IKEA. So they're like pretty affordable seating. These ones over here, I'm just gonna kind of go this angle right here now. So these ones I got, it was like such a score. I found these ones at a thrift store and I paid 20 bucks per chair, which was like, I'm serious, the deal of the century. I was so excited, and these are really comfortable. And I love how, like, I had this table already, but the wood, like, they all tie in so nicely with like everything that I had, so I love it. So this is like our little seating area. The pillows are from World Market. I'm pretty sure they still have those available. I'll link those down if I can. This table I got from Target like a few years back, so it's probably, I don't think you can find it, but it's nice. It has like the little gold legs and then a nice little wood top. And then I just have some books here, just random books that I found at TJ Maxx over the years. And then this little pot and plant, it's like a little faux succulent, is from IKEA. So that was super cheap. And then that's like a closer look of the pillows. So it has like little gold flakes and everything, which is really nice. So that's kind of like what the seating area looks like from this angle. So I have another chair over here with the pillowcase from IKEA as well. Our table has seen better days. So it's an IKEA table. We repurposed it with some marble contact paper. And throughout the move, it has had its, it's had its hard times. We have got some scuffs here. It's peeling off. It's like, you know, it's not in the most ideal shape, but we have one last move. This is gonna be like, we're gonna buy a house after this one. So I just think this will be the last time. And then I'll probably just get a new coffee table just because it's, you know, it does its job. Like, it's really a great sturdy coffee table. And it's nice because it has like a shelf underneath where like I put the kids' books for when they come home and they do some reading. And then I have our photo album. So it's great because it's got a lot of storage. It's just, it's seen better days, but it still is fine. It works. And then over here, is my little plant. I also brought this little guy from back home. He's done so well. I'm like so proud of him. I put him in a little mug. I probably need to like transfer him out, but he's been so happy that I don't want to like disrupt him at the moment because he's like sprouting all of these new little friends. Like look at all these little guys that are sprouting up. As far as plants go, I haven't had success in the past. And so the succulents and like cactus, I'm really good about because I forget to water them and they like that. And then I have a little bowl of just like little, you know, things I got from TJ Maxx. I got the bowl at a garage sale. And then this bouquet of flowers was actually sent to me from my sweet friend Karen. When Moo passed away, she sent me this lovely bouquet. I think it's from Boaks.com or something like that. And it has like actual succulents in here, which is like amazing. I've never seen a bouquet with succulents, and it kind of brought me a little bit of happiness in a very, very sad time. I mean, obviously it hasn't been very long at all. And like Moo, it's been really hard. It's really especially hard for me when I'm by myself because when the kids are around, it keeps me busy, but when I'm alone, it makes me feel really sad. So it's nice to be able to look at those, and they've lasted so well. I mean, it's been like, I don't even know how long it's been, and they're still doing super well. So that was a really great bouquet. So thank you, Karen, for that. And then I have these little coasters that I got in my Deco Crated box. They say sip, sips, hooray. Oh, sip, sip, hooray, Frye, and cheers, y'all. And then this one over here says drink up, buttercup, and cheers, y'all. So those kind of tie in with the wood. And then this rug, which it gets like wrinkled a lot, but it's okay. I got this rug from TJ Maxx. It's like a faux cowhide with the little gold speckles, and I love it. It just kind of ties the whole little space in together so that it's like a little kind of seating area. So that is where we sit. The kids come here, they sit in the chairs and they read their books after school, and it's just a nice place to sit and have a cup of tea. So yeah, I love this little area. And then over here we have the dresser, which is what we keep all of the kids' board games, art supplies, crafts, like that kind of stuff. These little baskets are from IKEA as well. I'm obsessed with these. I love them. And then this little blanket is from World Market. And then over here, I have another one. I'm very much like, I have to have things even. I can't do like one side. Like I have to have everything, the side looks the same. I don't know what it is, but I can't deal with it if it's not even. So I have another basket, and then I just have, this blanket is from Yasa Studios. I love this blanket. It is like so cozy. And then this dresser is also from IKEA. Hello, we love IKEA. This one's seen better days as well. There's some chips from moving. We've moved it numerous times. We've put this through some abuse. The kids have like colored on it somehow. It's got scrapes, but it does the trick. So up top here I have, so this is by Crystals X Cacti. I love them. They always put little succulents in crystals, which is like so cool. They have all these different colors, so I love this one. And my little guy's getting a little taller, so I'm very proud of him. This is when we went to St. Louis to the Arch. We went back to Jay's hometown, and he gave us a little tour. And I just put them on little notebooks for pops of color. This little gold tin and the faux succulent is from IKEA. This little vase and the faux leaves are also from IKEA. This is supposed to be centered right now. It's not gonna do what I want it to do. There we go. I have a little tray, a little Ray Dunn tray that I got from TJ Maxx. This little hippo, the kids placed here, and I just didn't leave. I didn't want to like move it. It was on one of their little lamps, or like a little tea light mason jar thing that we made, and it fell off, and then they made a hat with it, and then it just ended up here. So I've just left it here because it makes them happy. I have a little Scentbird candle. This is the vanilla bean and heliotrope. Oh, that smells so good. I have another little faux succulent here from IKEA. And then over here, when we moved into our last old house, my friend bought me this as a little housewarming gift, Chelsea, and it's so sweet. And then I have a little dish here with some lip balm. This is the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. I keep this here because the kids are always complaining of chapped lips, and then it's just like here, and we all know it's here. And then I have a couple of little notebooks here as well for pops of color. This is what it looks like from this angle. That is my living room, you guys. It's very cute. I like it a lot. I really love like the feel it has now. It's quite like zen and kind of, I don't know, it just feels like when you come into this room, it's quite relaxing and peaceful, and it makes me feel like it's just a nice place to sit and chat or sit and just relax, and I like it a lot. Eventually we'll probably end up getting like a sectional and everything, but I think I really like how this looks. It's just really pretty and just like peaceful. It makes it so that you have to talk to each other versus like, hey, sit on my couch and watch the TV. Like, I enjoy it when you have a space where like you don't have to sit on your phone or you don't have to sit on the TV. It's nice to like actually have a place where you can spend time with each other versus just watching something. So now I am upstairs. So this is what it looks like from this angle. So you can see the dresser, the little seating area, my cute little lamps, a fan, and then the fireplace. But yeah, that is our living room with a cameo appearance from Spot. And I hope you guys enjoyed my living room tour. I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.